President-elect Joe Biden is forging ahead with his plans to fight the coronavirus pandemic, making good on a key campaign promise. Today, he announced an advisory board that includes scientists and medical experts, including one from our area. NBC10's Mayk joins us with more on his plan. Lauren, what are we learning about the plans for a Biden administration's approach to this?
Tracy, President-elect Biden repeated today that he is still expecting what he calls a dark winter. He acknowledged some good news about progress with the vaccine, but the way he approached it is notable and different than what we have heard from President Trump. The former vice president and the president-elect saying even if it is approved, it won't be widely available for many months, and putting some of the responsibility of what to do in the meantime on Americans. In Chestnut Hill, Mixed Salon opened last week during the pandemic and before it was clear who the president would be. Jasmine Smalls and her husband built this while there were still a lot of unknowns about the virus.
We, like my husband said, had to make the decision to move forward with this build out in hopes that, we would open up soon.
Now accepting clients, they're in business with COVID-19 safety precautions, though the impact of the coronavirus still looms as a new administration takes shape.
What would you like to see from a Biden administration in terms of the coronavirus?
Yeah, well, I'm hoping we kind of could get everybody to follow the whole mask thing, I mean, some are doing it, and I see a lot not doing it, so hopefully we can make that mandatory.
The use of masks was one of the key messages today from President-elect Biden.
So please, I implore you, wear a mask. Do it for yourself. Do it for your neighbor.
Biden has said he'll work with governors and mayors to get people to wear masks. In remarks in Wilmington today, he said a mask is not a political statement and that the goal is to give people back a normal life.
Wearing a mask may seem like a small act. Maybe you think your individual choice won't make any difference. But throughout our history, throughout the history of our nation, we've seen over and over how small acts add up to enormous achievements.
The president-elect is announcing a COVID-19 team as his first transition board. It includes former Surgeon General Vivek Murthy as a co-chair, and among the members, Dr. Rick Bright, who was ousted from a Trump administration job after criticizing the administration's coronavirus response, and also oncologist Dr. Ezekiel Emanuel from the University of Pennsylvania. Emanuel also worked in the White House Office of Management and Budget during the Obama-Biden administration.
And we will seek to add other members to this board during this bring additional important perspectives on public health and expertise throughout the transition.
Biden today saying the group will advise on detailed plans and also making a promise.
We'll follow the science. We'll follow the science. Let me say that again. And we'll adjust to new data when it comes in. And we'll listen and work in cooperation with governors and local leaders of both parties who are fighting this virus in their communities this very day.
The advisory board is expected also to consult with state and local officials. And one more note on masks. President-elect Biden, in his appeal to get people to wear them, said it won't be forever. Guys, back to you.